Hey YouTube, my name is Stacy and today's my birthday. And the only thing that I wanted to do today was launch my cooking channel on YouTube. So don't be too hard on me. I don't have really great equipment just yet, but I'm working on it. So today we're going to make vegetable and rice noodle stir fry. You can use spaghetti. It doesn't have to be rice noodles, but one of the reasons I wanted to start a cooking channel is because I'm often just disappointed in food when I eat out or anywhere. And my mother was an excellent cook. She taught me how to cook, and I like to recreate dishes that I see or taste, for lack of a better word. Anyway, so let's get into it. All right, so this is simple. It's easy. You can. I rarely follow recipes, and it's really bad to say when I'm starting a cooking station. But you just have to. You just have to do your own thing. You know what I'm saying? You just have to be creative. This is a form of art, I believe. I think cooking is a form of art, and that's how I look at it. That's how I go into it every day when I cook. So we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure it's not extra virgin because it doesn't have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the wok. I have peas and carrots today, frozen peas and carrots. That's what I have, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to add that. I'm using my hands. Sorry, they're clean. I'm going to add... I'm going to turn it up a little bit. Let's turn it up. I'm going to add some onions, about, half a cup or so. I like onions. I like onions and garlic. I'm going to add some onions. I'm going to add some garlic. About, I don't know, a couple cloves, I guess. Let's get that in there. And we're going to stir fry this if it was heated. Sorry. Guess I'm not prepared. Let's get that heat. Here we go. Gonna stir fry it a little bit. A couple minutes. It's so quick and easy, this recipe. It's just so quick and easy. Anyone can do it. Hear it? That's nice. Let's stir fry that for about 2 minutes, and you can make the sauce together ahead of time, like you can mix it together, or you can just dump it all in. I think they may have it on a little too high. I like a wok because it doesn't overcook your food. Overcook your onions. I still like my onions a little tiny on the crunchy side. Okay, so we're going to let that sit for a minute. Okay, so I think that's probably pretty good. Quick. So now we're going to add in, I have some jar mushrooms. They're not fresh. That's alright. Whatever you've got. Add in those. I'm going to add in approximately, I guess about a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Approximately 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Approximately a tablespoon of any kind of fish sauce that you have. I'm going to add a little pepper flake. We like things spicy over here. So, to each his own. You don't have to add them if you don't want them. And then I'm going to add a little sesame oil. This is good. It can be bad. It's very overwhelming, and I'm talking like a little. Like I'm talking a very little. That's it. It's not even, it's like, it's very overwhelming flavor. You don't want to have that in your cooking. You just want to add a little. The rest of the ingredients, though, go together very well, as they should. I love Asian cooking. We like Asian and Japanese and Indian and Italian and anything we like to cook, we like to eat. Alright, look at that. Now, oh, sesame oil. Now I'm going to add, now I'm going to add about 8 ounces of rice noodles. Like I said, you could use thin spaghetti, whatever you have. It doesn't matter. You could use rice, brown rice, white rice, whatever you have. I'm going to add a little sesame seed for garnishing and some scallions. Yum. Give that a stir. Look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? Oh, wow. And that's it. You've got yourself an Asian stir fry. Now, if you want this completely vegan, you can replace the fish sauce with an additional amount of soy sauce. You do not have to use the fish sauce. You can also substitute Worcestershire or soy sauce for fish sauce. Should I taste it? Let me get a fork. I should probably get my chopsticks. I just bought us a really awesome set of porcelain chopsticks, and we're learning they're not the easiest things in the world. I see people use them so easily. It's hot. Oh my god. So good. So good. Those flavors just meld together. And that is a dish your family will love. Absolutely love. You don't have to spend all that money on expensive Asian food, ordering out. You can make it right at home. So if you're inclined, please subscribe and press the bell. And I'll see you on the next one.